Welcome to this video on how to prepare for IELTS. So let us discuss how to prepare for your desired band score in IELTS. Now when it comes to preparing for your desired band score in IELTS, there are certain things that you need to do. First one is you need to learn about the test, content, format and timing, scoring and frequently asked questions or FAQs. Number 2 is you need to know the difference between academic and general training. Normally, listening and speaking are the same for both academic and general training, but the reading and writing is different. Then we need to understand how to make a realistic goal. And also we need to know the requirements of your band score. Now if you are achieving for band score 7, we need to know what are the requirements that you need to fulfill in order to get band score 7. It's just like making a chicken curry. If you want to make a chicken curry, you need to know the requirements that you need to mix, that you need to put into that chicken curry. So it is the same with anything. And also with IELTS, that you need to know the requirements of your band score. Then it will be very easy for you to reach your band score. Then we need to make a realistic goal. How do you make a realistic goal? First, you need to decide the band score you required. You need to check the level of English. Then you need to know what to improve. Do you need to improve English, or do you need to improve IELTS skills, or do you need to improve both? Then we need to decide a time frame for the preparation. Right. Let's see how to prepare for your desired band score in IELTS after you make a realistic goal. We need to learn about the question types. There are different types of questions: multiple choice, sentence completion, matching sentences. There are so many types. So you need to know about these types of questions. And with the type of the questions, you need to understand what are they checking, what skills are they checking. Then we need to learn the tips and the techniques for each type of question. Then common topics and vocabulary that you require to use. If you are planning for band score 7, you need to know the vocabulary that are suggested for band score 7. If you are doing band score 8, you need to know the vocabulary that are suggested for band score 7 or 8. Then you need to develop your ideas and topics from variety of sources. For an example, you need to watch documentaries, listen to BBC, New Scientist magazine, radio programs, and you need to listen to basically Australian, New Zealand, American and Canadian radio. Then you need to do practice test to assess your listening and reading. Then your speaking and writing, you need the help of an experienced teacher, experienced assessor. Then he can exactly tell you what is the band score you require and what are the things that you need to improve in order to achieve that. Are you matching all the marking criteria, or do you need to improve? Then you need to develop and practice. You need to build speed and time management for reading and writing. It's very crucial. Speed and time management. Then you need to do a full practice test under examination conditions. It's better if you can do more than one, but at least you need to do a full practice test, but under examination conditions. Then You need to do your IELTS when your English and IELTS skills are at their strongest level. This is very easy. Step by step, a systematic approach can prepare you for your desired band score. Thank you so much for attending this session. We hope you got something out of this. Thank you so much.